Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create and use the password reset disk. This is an important tool you can use to reset your forgotten Windows password. Let's begin. First, let me show you how to create the password reset disk. Insert a USB flash drive onto your computer. Mine is plugged in already, which is this recovery disk E. Now, open Control Panel. Simply search for Control Panel in the search bar and click on it. Go to User Accounts and then User Account again. Then click Create a Password Reset Disk. This launches the Forgotten Password wizard. Click on Next, then select the USB drive you want to use from the drop-down. I am using the USB drive called Recovery. Then click on Next. Now, enter your current local account password and click Next. Windows will then create a reset key on the USB. This is essentially a user key file on the disk. Click on Next and then Finish to complete the process. You now have a password reset disk. Some key points to note here. This disk must be created on the target PC containing your local account. It must be created while signed into that account. You only need to create this disk once. The password reset disk works for local accounts only. Now, let's show how to use the password reset disk to reset your password. Let's restart this PC so to go to the login page. Now, on the login page, enter a wrong password. Then click OK on the next page, where Windows displays a password is incorrect message. This will take you back to the login page, which now includes an option to reset your password. Click Reset Password, and Windows will show you the available password reset options. We are interested in using the disk, so click on the Use the Password Reset Disk option below. This will launch the password reset wizard. Click Next, and then select the disk containing your password reset file. Mine is Recovery Disk E. Click on Next, and then type in your new password. Click on Next, and then Finish to complete the process. Now, simply go back to the login page and use your newly created password. And that's it. The local account password is successfully reset. If this video helped you, like and subscribe for more.